Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Mike, get the front of the car and I'll get the back.
Move it in, they're in. Move in. All right, they're getting out. They hit a vehicle on the lot. Boy William. I'm in pursuit. We're going past the front entrance of Home Depot here. One pedestrian, they're back in the store. They're now back northbound in the lot. Looking for the main entrance up to 124. They're going back south. Back
Bro,
south.
can't find his way out the parking lot.
Way on Capitol.
You don't know where he's going.
Grass to Capitol. I'm right on them. They're looking to go east across all traffic. Stand by, they're going west. All right, they're westbound from 124 on Capitol, lane 2. Coming up some medium traffic, speeds about 45. Rear bumpers hanging off. Have someone go to Noodles and check on the vehicle they hit. There was a lady outside, she looked okay, she did not get hit. Still westbound from 128, speeds about 50.
106, I have number 2 behind 141.
Alright, they're going to make a U-turn, potentially, and go back east on Capitol. Back east on Capitol. Occupied by 5, I think looks like 2 females. 3 black males, hoods up. Right on them, lane 3, speeds 55.
106, I have a 3rd spot behind me. I will take a 4th.
Coming up to stop traffic at 128.
Man, you got these boys backed in, boy.
The area of Capitol and they...
Alright, they're eastbound, westbound lanes. Light traffic here. Coming up to 124, they're slowing drastically. Corrected themselves, they are now eastbound lanes.
Yo, before we finish this video, one thing I don't like about this is all the kids know they're in trouble. I know all the kids are scared, but the driver is not thinking about the other people in the car. Because it's the driver, if something happens, it's usually the driver that always survives. And then you got the lives of 4 other people's kids in the car, and you just not thinking about that because you're young and dumb.
Eastbound lanes.
98 Capitol 6.
They're still west, they're approaching eastbound, coming underneath. About a block and a half behind them, we're catching up. Speed's about 80. Yeah, a little bit of traffic.
Okay, here, Capitol 6.
Alright, they're coming up now. Lane 2, slowing drastically. They're going over to the turn lanes. Now they're coming back. Alright, still eastbound lanes. I am number 2. I have an unmarked Ford F-150 in front of me. Not sure who it is.
Could be Brookfield.
10-4. I think Brookfield's bowing out. I'm now number 1. Coming up to 100. Speeds 85. Lane 1. Light traffic. No pedestrians.
Stop sticks, got him. Did they get him?
Positive sticks.
Got his ass.
Coming up to 92, speeds about 90. They're slowing drastically for the red, slowing. They're going southbound. 9-3, south on 9-3. East on Melvina. They got tires going down.
Matter of time
5
now.
to 6 in the car. We're back north on 9-2. Slowed for the red, we're through the red. Speed's about 55. Again, tires going down. Black Hyundai Sonata, Illinois plates. Occupied by 5 or 6. We're still northbound. Looks like they got left side tires are down. Speed 75, crossing home.
6 are with me.
Affirmative. Alright, they're northbound, southbound lanes, intentional here. Very slow, coming up to Congress. Alright, we corrected ourselves. Still northbound from Congress. I'm right on them. Left side tires look down. Rear bumper's falling off. Black Hyundai Sonata, stolen vehicle. Attempted to steal another in our city. Northbound coming up to Hampton. A lot of smoke coming from the vehicle. Speed's about 80, light traffic.
Use caution, it was used in a carjacking in Brown Deer.
Alright, we lost the
You
tire.
done
here
now?
in
The whole
Hampton.
tire done fell off.
45 miles an hour. Alright, they just got pinned in by another truck. Bail, bail, bail.
Wow, he had a gun, look like. Stupid.
Get him, get him.
Okay, 9-2 in Hampton. Sail eastern north.
We got two hiding in front of this brick building right here, right across from right by the gas station.
Right
Right by the gas station.
Don't move. 141 for the air. We got 3 in custody, 2 went east. We're looking for 2 that went east from here.
I have 1 in custody and 9 at the auto place.
Well, those are the ones I saw then.
2 out this way. There should be 2 male blacks and black. We're in black. Sit up on your butt, Carl. Jake, her, I gotta check my camera. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
MPD squad 7140. Show me the area of 9-2 Hampton. How many in custody?
120, I'll be out at 9-1 Hampton.
What?
What do you need?
Got 3 at the gas station.
Alright,
We got another one. We're looking for 1 more. I'm just trying to review some footage.
We got 4 out of 5 in custody so far. We're just looking for 1 more.
Command will get you a count on how many we have in custody in just a minute.
We got 3 at the Amstar for sure. 2 others went east and north.
What happened to your flashlight?
Oh, that's where I couldn't find it. Probably when I jumped over the car.
Trying to figure out how many. I was counting, but
And we're 6.
can you ID the driver?
All right, there's going to be 2 out. The ones we didn't get definitely went east initially.
Here, I might have got them on mine too. I'll be right back.
I made contact with the victim of the Noodles. She's okay.
Okay.
I told her to stand by. If you don't need me here, I'll go back up there and take her.
Excellent. Yeah, that'd be great.
We have anybody back here? I want to see if we got. We might not have the driver yet.
106 or 135.
The driver is a black hoodie, blue jeans, green underwear sticking out. He was second one out of the front.
Black hoodie, blue jeans, green underwear.
Yep. You got a guy?
No, little girl. We're just looking at the last one's gonna be the black hoodie or black jacket.
There's 6 of them. The driver we didn't get yet. He's a black hoodie, blue jeans with the green underwear.
Come here. Is this him?
Jordan's on.
So that's the one I caught right there. So he bounced off and then ended up going
602 for description.
No, that's not going to be. He's a winter jacket. That's a driver right there.
Okay.
141. I think we'll look for 1 more. Maybe the driver. Black hoodie, darker blue jeans, I think green underwear hanging out. Looked like he was last seen going northeast. Husky brand screwdriver in the flight path of suspects that were taken into custody.
They
The
stole the
light was
car.
red.
Yes.
I think none of the cops could get through. This car, when I looked to get over, this car was back where that sign is.
Correct.
So I didn't know they were chasing him. I thought they were just coming to get, and I pulled over. By the time I
They were right
got
there.
over, I was just trying to let the cops through, you know, because it was backed up.
Luckily,
You helped them
officers
out.
were able to find the remaining juveniles nearby and take them into custody. This incident all started at Home Depot, where the 6 juveniles were allegedly engaging in a retail theft. When a Home Depot employee reported their suspicious behavior, officers arrived at the location, and the events you just saw in the body cam footage followed. An officer now returns to the Home Depot to get a witness statement from the employee who reported the juveniles.
Where were you when you first saw them?
Yeah, like I said, seen them around with the screwdrivers and the gloves or whatever. So at the car, we seen them roll the window down and they kind of threw this out the window.
Packaging.
Yeah. So that was my confirmation, like, yep, they got it, you know.
The Home Depot employee is likely referring to the packaging of a Husky brand screwdriver, which explains why an officer found one in the flight path of the juveniles after the foot pursuit. The vehicle the juveniles used was confirmed to be stolen, and the Home Depot employee also stated he believed they were planning on trying to steal another vehicle right before officers arrived on scene. The driver of the vehicle was charged with felony eluding an officer, felony second-degree recklessly endangering safety, felony operating a vehicle without consent, and resisting obstructing. The 5 other juveniles were charged with operating a vehicle without consent as a passenger and resisting obstructing. All 6 juveniles were transported to the Children's Detention Center, and all charges were referred to Children's Court. They are all presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Unless you charge.
What was the point? Like, what was the point? You went to Home Depot and went through this whole ordeal for a screwdriver. So you can steal another car so you can joyride? Like, is there nothing to do in Chicago? Like, Chicago is crazy, man. Well, they say Illinois. I don't know if it's specifically, you know, outside of Chicago, whatever. Illinois in general, so I'm going to say Chicago. But there's always something crazy going on in Chicago, man. It's always mass shootings. There's always a lot of gang activity. There's always a lot of kids out just doing nothing, man. Like, what is going on? Do the parents just not care? Or are the kids just bored? They don't got nothing to do? From what I hear, Chicago is a great city, and it's a lot of things to do. A lot of good food, a lot of good... What is it? What's up with the young folks in Chicago, man? Because they be out there just wilding out for no reason. They out there wilding out. All of that, all juvenile for a screwdriver. So they was going to steal a car, go joyride, do what? Maybe do something. The good thing they got caught because there's a lot of, like I said, a lot of gangs in Chicago. So maybe they was stealing a car to go do something they weren't supposed to be doing. You never know. It's a good thing they got caught, though. But it's idiot. This is stupid. It's just plain old stupid, man. It's like the driver put all of those kids' lives in danger. Not only his pedestrians in danger. Cops are lucky that truck driver didn't see him and just happened to naturally help him. But they went through this whole ordeal, and they're going to get out and go right back to doing it again. And maybe something worse. It's crazy, man. Keep your eyes on your kids, man. Keep them in sports. Do something, man. Keep these kids' minds like occupied. It seems like if they're not stuck on the video game or stuck on the phone, they don't know what to do. You know what I mean? If they're not playing sports, then you just got kids that's out there with no direction, just doing the most, just wilding out. Man, it's crazy, man. Guys got to keep people in Chicago got to do something about these kids, man. Keep their eyes on their kids. And keep them kids focused on something else, because this was just a stupid, senseless crime. Luckily, everybody's safe. Nobody got hurt. But still, a dumb crime. Makes no sense. But, you know, got to slow down, Turbo. Slow down. These kids need to slow down. Too fast, man. AI taking over everything. They don't know what to do with it. They just probably using AI to steal shit. Man, hey, call a friend, tell a friend, let them know Romy Rome's in the house. Keep thriving in this environment. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Always check your mentals, emotionals, physical, spirituals. I'll catch y'all in the next one, all right? Be easy.